In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to call link button in Squarespace. This is a simple and useful feature to add to your website, especially if you want visitors to contact you quickly from their phone. A click to call button lets someone tap the button and instantly start a phone call, which can make your site feel more convenient and more professional. To get started, open your Squarespace website and click Edit. This will allow you to make changes directly on the page where you want the call button to appear. Make sure you're on the correct page before moving forward, so the button ends up in the right location. Next, find the section where you want to add the button. At the top left of that section, click Add Block. This opens the block menu where you can insert different types of content into your page. Since we want to create a clickable call button, look for the button block. Once you find it, drag and drop the button into your chosen section. Try to place it somewhere visible and easy for visitors to notice. For example, this often works well in a contact section, near a booking area, or anywhere you want to encourage direct calls. After the button has been added, double-click the button to edit it. This opens the settings where you can customize what the button does. If needed, you can also update the button text so it clearly tells visitors what to expect, such as calling your business or contacting your team. Now select Add Link and then change the link type to phone number. This step is important because it tells Squarespace that the button should open the phone app on supported devices instead of sending people to a regular web page. Once you've changed the link type, enter the phone number you want to use. Double-check the number carefully before saving, since even a small mistake could send calls to the wrong place or prevent the link from working properly. And there you go, your Click to Call button is now set up. That's all it takes to add a phone link button in Squarespace. After saving your changes, it's a good idea to test the button to make sure it works as expected, especially on mobile devices where Click to Call is most commonly used. With just a few quick edits, you can make it much easier for visitors to reach you directly from your site.